I don't know if down to Nige boy can see something alright here so. If we wanna say it's true, and Shawn Storm really not perform on the show last night, him not perform at Cartel, him not perform at Bahamas, even Nige boy can see something alright. Alright, watch how Shawn I go jump out and come trace Foota hype now. I drop B award, watch. Watch. How much you know it? Look from when you see him on social media, I say nothing at all. Just watch now. Just watch now. Gully gotta have two idiots around him too. Anytime I say nothing, I hungry time you see them on social media. I hungry time you see them get interview. At the hungry time, you see them pop up and act like them a smarty when Foota says something. Other than that, them dead, dormant. Nothing, you don't see them on social media, you don't hear nothing from them. As Foota attack, then ready for trace. Then clitoris get hot. Then Shawn Storm never there the show. What wanna say? Shawn Storm never there the show. Wanna stop tell lie. Wanna stop tell lie. So Shawn Storm never there Cartel. Shawn Storm never there Bahamas. Shawn Storm not the Barbados. On you serious? People, here me no want to do. Me no want to mix me up. When you don't give me no false information, you know. Well on. Let me ask Shawn's good life, because she's a Gaza person. Shawn's good life. Shawn Storm never there at the Barbados show. Let me sit down up good in my chair to rascal. Wait. Let me adjust that chair. Candy K, what you say? Shawn's him never. People know it's serious. Shawn's good life say him never did that. So Hold on. Shawn's good life. He is a Gaza person. Let me ask you this now. Shawn never there Cartel, right? Shawn never there Bahamas. I know Shawn not there Barbados. What is happening? So, after we talk about this now, we're going to start seeing on some show now. And them are going to say, no, me make him get bookings now. Because I can't believe when I tell me, say no, no. But I ask you the next magic question. Gaza Hindu did there? Gaza Hindu did there? Lisa hype it there. Shawn's Hindu never there. So me think say the Gaza reunion. Me think da da dee da 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 dee da 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 dee da 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 dee. Sheba never did it either. Wow. 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 So Sheba not there. Hindu not there. Lisa hype not there. New name for loyalty, Shawn Storm not there. Bet who did that? Me guarantee say that person I did that. Matsus did that. Matsus was there. Matsus was there. Hello. Matsus was there. Uno can't tell me that. Matsus Afi did it. Uno can't trick me. Matsus did it. You know, so I'm a liar. You know, so my followers, them a bumbuck liar. You know, so my fans, them a liar. You know, so my fans, them a liar, though. You know, so when a blood clot deceive me. You know, so I go low Instagram alone. You know, so I go leave Instagram alone. I go low Instagram alone. I go leave Instagram alone. I said to now set me up for me and people in an argument. Nothing can go so. Nothing can go so. Nothing. Lie or not tell. Nothing can go so. Something alright. Ninja man just said, something alright. Something alright. Now, hear what me do now. You see, because me know say Cher and him a bridging, and me and Cher a bridge, I don't ask Cher nothing about Vybz Cartel or nothing with she go around them. I don't interested. One thing we know for sure though, whenever Cher and Renee go up on the trip them, Cartel perform better. Cause me see peace and performance one night, him sound better, and him a move better, him a jump better, him voice sound better, everything. So it look like Cher them and Renee them carry a different energy when them did it. That me can say. Him sound better on the show the last night. Him sound better on the show the last night. And him a jump better and thing. So, I don't know. TD Good Life, I really that is. You know, we can't manage this a bumbo club, you know. Yo, me love the internet, you know that. Yo. Me love the internet, you know, Tasha, me. Yo, me love the internet, star. Me love the Shawn's Good Life. Me can't believe you end as fuck. Yo, me love the internet. Me love the internet. Me leave it alone. Me love the internet. Well, I don't know if Shawn stamp passport in a coma or what. Me don't know if him passport paralyzed or what. Me see America visa run, him not get none. England visa run, him not get none. Show keeping the Caribbean, him not there none of that. Probably him passport paralyzed. Probably him passport wounded, me don't know. No, but when me I say, Shawn Storm and one girl from Guyana, one look a sexy girl where I bus from her, I don't remember what she name was, Lola or something like so. Him and her do one song and him go over there go shoot the video. So me I wonder if I both him travel pan or what. Come me swear me did see him and Mad Sus pan a flight. So that's why me I say, me don't know if after that him passport fall in a coma or if him passport upon life support or I don't know. Me don't know, me just ask. Me don't know. Cause me can't believe say, Uno tell me say, him never dey on the show last night, you know. Cause Barbados, you don't need visa for go Barbados. You understand what I say? I don't know. So me still find it hard to believe. Yeah, them people are disrespectful. Yeah, somebody remember him response for the shoes there. My mother pussy. So what you say? Because him response for the shoes them him can't fly? I joke this. I wish idiot this. Can block the idiot there. Yo, me have to laugh to rascal. No. People, remember you know. Me not trouble nobody now. Uno tell me say the man never there the show. Me swear say the man there the show. Cause me say no. Me no want to go bias and talk about the show and talk about being part of the performance. You understand me I say? So, I just ask if he part of the performance so I can say what me I say about the show. But no, you not tell me say him never did it, Hindu never did it, Lisa Hyper never did it, Mad Sus never did it. Me I know. J Figures, big up yourself. I charge for listen music and I charge for review. See somebody say, Foota, you're simply asking what everyone else is thinking. I just the truth. Cause me swear saying perform too. Cause you me not over there. Me not know what I go on. Me have to wait till somebody tag me or somebody send me a video. And when my friend them there on Cartel, me no contact them. Me no link them. Me no, cause me no want nobody feel like them a tell me nothing or Me and them a communicate on my business board that. You understand? Me no business board that. Sharon Rennie and teacher apart, them are bridging without me. Me no have nothing to do with that. So me no link them, me stay out of them way, me stay far from them. You see me? When me and them apart, same thing. We talk about our business and where we are dealing. But me find it weird. But Shawn get to half of the case like Cartel, right? Some of them think him a report and him have to hand in a passport and him so. But me find this hard to believe. I find this hard to believe. I find it really hard to believe. I find it very hard to believe. Yo, me go do. Me leave that alone here, sir. I come like that bigger than me. Me allow it alone. The Jamaican king, what you say go on? Well, all me say, me don't know what to say. But me notice say, whenever the show them will share them go up on RNA, Cartel perform with more energy and more vibe. And for some reason him look happier. Me don't know if you noticed last night. Come see the video when him a walk out and thing. Him act more, yeah, like the grave disease are going. And him a jump and him look happy. Me see a happier Cartel last night. You understand what I say? Yeah, and him a jump better. Him a walk more steady, you know. Yeah. Even last night him a sing more. Me I hear him a sing more than TV track. So me I just talk the truth. I think from Cartel come from jail. I think last night I one of his best performance. I think from Cartel come from jail. Last night I one of his best performance. Swear. To me, ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. You have to give Caesar what due to Caesar, you see me? Him voice sound better last night. Him a DJ better. Him a jump better. All of that. Well, my people, I don't know what is going on, but I don't want to try and trace me, because I know them on this day. As Foota hype says something, them ready to trace me. So I don't have nothing to say. Notice all of them and them with their own artists. Anytime me say nothing, them find strength to trace. When nobody else say nothing, nothing them not have to say. As me say something, Jesus Christ, them act for me.
Yeah, peeps. So as you can hear, Foota if I give him 1, 2, 3 cents. Same way. And Shawn Storm, you don't know. He don't really like the Gaza boss, you know. Yeah, man, I see him say this bounty before, you know, guys. So you can see, say, Foota is a little bad mind boy, see him here. Yeah, man. But anyways, we don't do this, nobody has style now, and everybody are human. So what you know, Jamaican are them best TV. We don't know and watch what go on. We don't hear what go on. We don't see what go on. We don't know what go on. So left on a comment in the comment section. And when we know what go on, yeah man, we're there, out there without fear. With always the best news and best reviews. Big up yourself, people. Big up my subscriber them. We out there without fear.